Hello, friends. Have you ever thought that there could be a technology that can completely change your life? A technology that has shaken up the banking and financial system, and you know nothing about it till date. So today we will talk about blockchain and cryptocurrency, a secret that will surprise you. Let's start. About blockchain is a technology that has given a new direction to the world. It is a distributed ledger in which all transaction information is kept together and no one can try to change or influence it incorrectly. About cryptocurrency is a digital currency created and managed through blockchain technology. These currencies are not under the control of any government or bank, which makes their value susceptible to change. But do you know what are the benefits and dangers of using cryptocurrencies? This can be a great investment vehicle, but it also has its downsides. Talking about the benefits of blockchain, it promotes secure, transparent, and transferability. But at the same time, there are also possibilities of corruption, privacy problems, and technical glitches. It is important to invest carefully when using cryptocurrencies. After this detailed information, you will be more understanding about cryptocurrencies and blockchain. This technology can change our future, but we must be careful with its use. If you are till now in the video, then like it, share it with your family, friends, and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video. Thanks.